Hey guys, anyways, Help here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I have another must-download application that I would like to share with you guys. And just like I try to do every single week here on the channel, you guys already know, I like to share an app from the App Store that I think is worth a download. And this week will be no different. However, there is one thing that's different this week. The app that I'll be recommending isn't downloaded directly from the App Store, but this application allows you to play classic games directly on your iOS device. As you can see right there, SNES, GB, GBC, GBA, SMS. I mean, just a ton of classic games directly onto your iOS device. A really cool emulators called Eclipse. By the way, big shout out to Dino Sambas to YouTube channel. If you haven't checked out his YouTube channel, links will be in the description. He's always sharing tutorials on apps like this one, and it's a really cool YouTube channel, so I highly recommend it. That's what prompted this video, so links will be in the description down below. Now I'm going to show you how to set this up, but as you guys already know, if there's any apps that you would like for me to try, any recommendations or suggestions for future videos, you can always leave those in the comments down below, and maybe I'll feature the app that you recommend on the next episode. So let's just get right to the tutorial here. Links will be in the description down below for Eclipse right here. All you have to do in Safari, make sure you open it within Safari. You want to click on the share icon here, and then you want to scroll down and add this to the home screen. The option is right there, so add to home screen and just click add, and this will add the actual icon to the home screen. I've already done it once, obviously, for the purpose of the video, so I'm going to delete the old one here. And let me show you the setup process. Now, if you're running iOS 15, this is slightly different. Of course, the search bar is at the bottom, so just click the three dots there with the circle and just simply add it to the home screen. Just like so. Simple. So once you have it on the home screen, the process is pretty much the same for both platforms at this point. So let's head on over to the application here. And you want to go ahead and click on skip setup right here. And then you just want to scroll through these options all the way to the bottom, agree, and then just simply scroll, close setup, and then you're in. Now, all you need now is ROMs. Now, unfortunately, I can't post the links for the ROMs in the description, but if you do own the ROMs yourself, you can head on over to Safari and browse Google for ROMs. Now, this is the option that I'm using right here, as you can see, for the search tab, and I can click on GBA ROMs right here and install any of the ROMs that are made available here for free. Again, as long as you own the ROMs, you can download them and install them onto your iOS device. So just search for the ROM that you want. I'm going to just go ahead and use one of these suggestions here. By the way, you can also search right here, sort them, or go by alphabetical order to search for the ROM that you want. Just simply click on the one that you want, and it'll bring you to the actual page here. And then you want to scroll down, and it says here save game. You want to click on that, and in just a few seconds, you want to be patient here, depending on your network connection. You're going to get a pop-up here that's going to go ahead and take you directly to the Files application once you download it. So click download here. You can see the progress going right here. And once it is done, you can go ahead and click right here for the search, and this will bring you directly to where the ROM was downloaded to. As I mentioned, it's going directly to the Files application that's already installed on your iPhone. So just be patient here, wait for the download, and you'll see the ROM go ahead and download right there. Now, once you download it, you want to click on the ROM itself. Right there it is, Super Mario Advance. So just go ahead and extract that, and there is the GBA file, as you can see right there. Now, if you have any problems finding that, you can always search right there in the search tab inside of the Files app. But we're all ready to go. We can go back into Eclipse, and inside the application, there's a settings tab here where you can download some skins for the controllers, and you also have additional options to save to Google Drive. You also have the emulator options here to auto save and things like that, full screen. You can play around with those controls if you wish to do so. I'm just going to keep them stock here, and then just click on the plus icon once you're ready and click on the upload. So just go ahead and upload this one here, go to browse, and this is going to bring us directly to the games. As I mentioned, if you need to search, just go ahead and search, but just go ahead and look for the latest game. So Super Mario here, there it is for GBA. We just extracted, remember, so click install, and now we're ready to go, just like so. Super simple to do. You can play some classic games directly on your iOS device. This is super cool. I really enjoy this a lot, honestly. And as I mentioned, you can play a ton of other platforms within this emulator, which is super cool. And I hope you guys enjoyed this week's episode. If you like classic games, this one's going to be for you. Thank you for watching this quick episode, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.